October 24, 1861, wiring a nation. The completion of the first transcontinental telegraph line revolutionized communication in the United States, linking the country from coast to coast. Built by the Western Union Telegraph Company, this milestone in communication technology connected the Eastern Telegraph Network with the Western System at Salt Lake City, Utah. The achievement came 8 years before the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad, marking a significant step in the nation's development. The final connection was overseen by Edward Creighton, a Western Union superintendent who had played a crucial role in the project's planning and execution. The telegraph line stretched over 1,900 miles, traversing rugged terrain and hostile environments across the Western Plains and Rocky Mountains. The line's completion marked the end of the Pony Express, which had been a major means of communication for just 18 months prior, proving inefficient compared to the almost instantaneous transmission of messages enabled by the telegraph. Within hours of the line's completion, the first official message was sent from the Chief Justice of California, Stephen J. Field, to President Abraham Lincoln in Washington, D.C., informing him of California's continued support for the Union amid the ongoing Civil War. The Transcontinental Telegraph became a critical tool for the Union Army, facilitating rapid communication and strategic coordination during the Civil War. It also ushered in a new era of connectivity for the U.S., expediting business, governmental, and personal correspondence in ways that were previously unimaginable. The completion of the telegraph was more than just a technological triumph. It symbolized the nation's aspiration to unite its vast land, bridging the geographic and social divide between the East and the West. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.